Austin is going to show us how to properly test a pressure switch with the use of a multimeter. You can test to be sure the pressure switch is operating correctly. To test the pressure switch, first you disconnect the power from the pressure switch. Next, place the multimeter leads on the pressure switch terminals. If the pressure switch is operating correctly, the reading will go from OL, open line, to a numerical reading. As we can see, the pressure switch is operating correctly. The furnace must be running to perform this test.
This is an inducer motor. It's used to remove flue gases at a high rate of speed. The inducer motor should always have a gasket on the inducer intake to ensure a tight seal. You always want to make sure both lead wires are snug so they won't break loose. Make sure there are no blockages in the hose. This is a pressure switch. It is a normally open switch. This particular one takes 0.65 water column negative pressure to close. You also want to make sure that your wire and hose connections are secure.